Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel IQ Cars 2.0. Today, we're taking a look at a stunning revival, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This car merges classic vibes with modern engineering. Let's dive right into it. Car details. First up, a quick look at the specs. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is a beautifully redesigned modern interpretation of the iconic 1960s classic. It's built on a sleek, compact chassis, with a turbocharged 2.0 all-engine offering a smooth 250 horsepower. The car pays homage to its vintage roots while embracing a contemporary flair. Exterior. The exterior, absolutely stunning. The Karmann Ghia sports its signature curvy lines with a refined touch. From the chrome accents to the retro sloped roof, it's a nod to the classic design, yet feels undeniably fresh. The sharp LED headlights, bold grille, and those stunning 18-inch alloy wheels bring this car into the 2020s with style. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a minimalist yet luxurious cabin. The vintage-inspired dashboard features modern tech, like a digital touchscreen and Apple CarPlay. The leather seats are comfortable and classy, with enough room for the passengers to feel at home, especially on a road trip or just cruising around town. Comfort level. Comfort-wise, this Karmann Ghia nails it. The cabin is well insulated, making it a joy to drive even on rougher roads. The suspension is tuned to be sporty but also smooth, striking a perfect balance between agility and comfort. A real treat for both casual drivers and enthusiasts. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't just about looks, it's a blast to drive. With that 2.0 all-turbo engine, you get quick acceleration, smooth handling, and a sound that'll put a smile on your face. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising on the highway, this car gives you the best of both worlds, fun and practicality. Conclusion. So, to wrap it up, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is an absolute gem. It brings classic charm to modern-day driving, with a perfect mix of performance, style, and comfort. Whether you're a fan of vintage cars or just love great design, this one's sure to turn heads. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the review. See you next time.